And in this business, if you don't learn the ropes, you're liable to end up sleeping with the fishes. You gotta know how to navigate the monopolies. The complexities of real estate negotiation, finance, and of course, lawsuits and commission settlements. You might have caught wind about these settlements, whispers on the street or maybe on the internet. Let me break it down for you nice and simple. In the hyperinflated vortex of fiduciary flux capacitance, this settlement's got its hooks in every pseudo-fiduciary modality, kind of like a neighborhood watch, neighborhood protection, but with a twist, an optional flux inhibitor for those who know which palms to grease. We're talking about leveraging nonlinear valuation of elasticized assets through an oscillating declinometric prism. Translation? It's like running the numbers through the backroom, all this while navigating the labyrinthine quantum escrow propagation. Now, when it comes to showing properties, there's always that age-old question: who's picking up the tab? Who's paying the commission? The one holding the package? The one wanting the goods, the house? Or maybe the cost disappears into the macroeconomic void of deferred compensatory amplitudes. It's like a fiscal puzzle wrapped in a riddle, stuffed in a rug, left on a stoop as a little reminder for you to stay sharp. So the families, corporate partnerships, have already got their fix in place, so don't lose sleep over it. We've got hundreds of consigliaries, esquires, thousands of those, Karens and Chads by the hundreds of thousands, formulating alliances tighter than a BlackRock investment portfolio. If you want premium obfuscation services, we've got you covered. National families, local boards, they're all keeping tabs, ensuring the game stays clean, or as clean as it gets in our line of work, with the least amount of confusion. Now, to balance all of this out, we had to recalibrate the fulcrum with gyro-synchronized equity stabilizers. Think of it like keeping the family's books squared while making sure everyone's content, or at least staying quiet. The delicate dance keeps the equity oscillating in the hyperdimensional escrow continuum at 89 miles per hour naturally. Everyone walks away happy, or they walk away. So here's the bottom line. We're adapting to this regulatory transmogrification, and doing so, we're reaffirming our loyalty to keeping the waters nice and muddy. Clarity? That's optional. Complexity? Now that's the name of the game. Welcome to the new world of real estate. Everybody gets what's coming to them, capiche? If you got questions, give me a call. I'm your guy.